Hello students, myself Rudresh Tiwari. I am going to teach class 9th literature part Beehives chapter 1st, the fun they had. Students, first of all, we should know the concept of the title. The fun they had. It means this chapter belongs to the future generation, and description of the past is also included in the chapter. The fun they had means the narrator had described through the character that how they think, that how the ancestors in the past used to make fun regarding education. So let's start the summary of the chapter. The chapter The Fun They Had by Isaac Asimov belongs to future generation. As I told you before that the chapter belongs to the future generation. In this chapter we have been shown the differences between future and past. And also about the generation of that time, especially in the way of education. Margie is a young girl of 11. She hates reading and shown interest in knowing about past schools. And they know about the past schools from the book which name is Real Book. And she wrote in her diary on 17th May, this is imagine date used by the Margie. So after that Tommy found a real book, which was a strange experience for both the children. Tommy was Margie's cousin. He was 2 years elder to Margie. Tommy told Margie that the book was about past schools. It was a very old book and was found in very bad condition. The book was in bad condition because it was very old book related to the past. Tommy started reading the book. Margie first doubted why anybody would write about schools, as we know that Margie hates schools, so she does not like to talk about school. So she was in doubt that why the people write about schools. It was very strange for both the children because they had found it very different to their book. They had regular teacher at home. Students, as we have regular teacher at home like tutor, so in the same way Margie and Tommy had the teacher at home. Margie had been performing badly in geography because she had no any interest in geography. Her mother sent for a county inspector because she had no any interest in geography. So mother was too much disturbed that why Margie is not performing good in geography. So she sent for a county inspector. It means student Raj Nirichak. Here the county inspector is used to inspect the teacher, the home tutor who was performing badly, to motivate the students at home. Then after that, he came and made understand to her. He means county inspector came and made understand to her teacher that how he should teach to students if the students are not interested in any subject. So the county inspector gave direction to the teacher that how you have to motivate the students, how you have to create interest in the student for any subject, for any topic. So after that, both children started reading book. Tommy told her that old time school were very different to the years. Tommy described about the past times school and how the schools were different. He also described about this. He told her that there were special buildings where some same age of children come to study. Such buildings were called school. Also, they were discussing with each other about the past schools, about the past teacher, and about the teachers, how they used to come to school, how they just motivate to the children to make them interested in the particular subject or topic. Meanwhile, the county inspector had arranged a mechanical teacher. After that, county inspector had arranged a mechanical teacher. Students, mechanical teacher means you can say robot teacher or computer. Then Margie's mother called her for her class as it was the time of school of the teacher and submitted her homework. So Margie's mother called her to attend the class. Students, this is the remain part of the summary. In this part, Margie's mother called her for the class. As it was the time of school, she went in her room, sat in front of the teacher. As I had told you that they had home teacher like robot or computer, so their classes are inside the house also. So when Margie's mother called her for the class, Margie came before the teacher and submitted her homework. And she kept thinking about the book, especially about those books and special schools where the fun they had, means how the old student in the past had fun in their time. Thus this is the End of the summary. Thanks.